spring 2020.
As coronavirus spreads in the United States, retail stores close their doors and schools are shut down, and the healthcare workers and first responders battle the virus in the front line. A group of high school and middle school students spring into action. They call themselves Team 8565, the Technicbots. They are an award-winning team in First Tech Challenge robot building competition. Through competition and camps, these students learned how to use a 3D printer. When they hear there's an overwhelming need for personal protective equipment at the front line, they figured out how to design and print face shields in a 3D printer.
My team has been devoted to community outreach since it was established 6 years ago. But this year, we have engaged in a very special project where our team members use their 3D printing skills to produce face shields and ear guards for the frontline medical workers fighting with COVID-19. We recruited other local FTC and FRC teams, also Professor Bing Hu of UTD, to create a 16 3D printer pool and established a supply chain process with many steps: printing, collecting, assembling, sanitizing, packaging, and distributing, while maintaining the social distance.
Our team is split into 9 different parts. It starts with a 3D print team. This team consists of our own team, a few other first teams, and UTD professor. This team 3D prints all of our PPE and then sends them into the assembly lines. The assembly line assembles all of our PPE together and then sends them over to the sanitizing and packaging team. This team sanitizes all of our PPE with UV and then packages them, and then we go ahead and distribute them. Additionally, we have a request processing team that takes in all of the requests and makes sure everybody receives the right amount of PPE. We also have a material research team that researches all of the materials that we are using. Also, we have a 3D printer maintenance team that fixes and maintains all of our 3D printers.
In total, we had 16 3D printers with a production capability of 40 to 50 face shields and 100 ear guards per day. Just like any robotics work, we started off with evaluating different face shield designs, such as the popular Budman and Prusa models, prototyping them and sending them to the field for testing. With feedback, we further improved and adapted our models to be more efficient and effective. For example, we added slits to the sides of the Prusa models so that the screen could be held more effectively.
Go. This is the other half of the package. Yesterday we gave you 150 ear guards. We ordered 300, so the rest are in here. What instructions? Assembly it, and then if you need it, it's on our website, bicep.org.
This is truly a gift that will help our staff that are treating patients.
We have supplied 1,500 face shields, 3,500 ear guards to more than 45 local hospitals and clinics. I am very proud of the team for this achievement.
In order to sustain these efforts, we've fundraised $5,500.
They also launched a GoFundMe page to raise money for materials and supplies needed to print these face shields.